I prepare my home for an after-builder's clean.
The good news, you don't need to do much at all. We handle the hard work. However, there are a few small things you can do to maximize the results of your post-renovation clean. Ensure all trades have finished and removed their tools, ladders and supplies. Remove large packaging boxes or skip level waste. Ensure all surfaces are dry and accessible. Paint and grout have cured. Provide clear access and parking instructions, especially for apartments. Let us know of any delicate or custom finishes that need special treatment. If you have furniture, artwork, or appliances already delivered, we'll clean around them. Otherwise, we'll clean the entire space from edge to edge, ready for styling, move-in, or inspection. Need us to coordinate with your builder or real estate agent? We're happy to liaise on your behalf.